Hey, how you doing? Okay, listen, it's Monday morning now. We did not clean your rug yet because we see here we have this water damage. You see the water stain from before? And also this is very complicated to remove the color run you have here. This will take probably 2 months, and the price is different, but we're gonna send you now. Here you see the blue also. I mean, this you had a flood here, and here the color run also to the fringe. Hey, how are you? Okay, so your Moroccan rug is ready. Okay, we remove the color run. You cannot tell where it was. It's all done originally. Looks perfect.
اینا خودشون نجات دادن